Unraveling Oil-free, enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got an interesting topic on our hands. The phrase, oil-free. You might have come across this term in various contexts, perhaps on product labels, in recipes, or even in casual conversation. Today, we are going to delve deep into what it means, how to use it, and where you might encounter it. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of oil-free. Oil-free is an adjective phrase that we use to describe something that does not contain any oil. This might sound straightforward, but it's crucial to understand that this phrase can apply to a wide variety of contexts. Example 1. Skincare and beauty products. You might see oil-free on the labels of skincare products, such as moisturizers, cleansers, or makeup. In this context, oil-free indicates that the product does not contain oils that could potentially clog pores or contribute to skin issues. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with oily or acne-prone skin. Example 2. Cooking and food. In the realm of cooking and food, oil-free can refer to recipes, ingredients, or prepared meals that do not include oil as part of their composition. This is often highlighted for health reasons, as some people prefer to avoid oils in their diet. Choosing oil-free products or ingredients can be a personal preference or a necessity depending on one's health, dietary needs, or skin type. Here's why some people might opt for oil-free, health-conscious choices. For those who are watching their calorie intake or are mindful of their heart health, choosing oil-free options in food can be a beneficial choice. Oils are high in calories and certain types of fats, which some people may want to avoid. Skincare routine. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, using oil-free skincare products can help to prevent breakouts and manage shininess or oiliness on the skin. Dermatologists often recommend oil-free products for these skin types. Now that we understand what oil-free means and why someone might choose oil-free options, let's look at how we can use this phrase in sentences. 1. I prefer using an oil-free moisturizer in the summer to avoid making my skin feel greasy. 2. This salad dressing is oil-free, making it a lighter option for your greens. 3. Can you recommend any good oil-free foundations for oily skin? And there we have it. We've covered what oil-free means, explored various contexts where you might come across this term, discussed why someone might opt for oil-free options, and looked at how to use it in sentences. Remember, understanding the context is key to using oil-free correctly. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.